Determining the maximum number of receptacles on a 15-amp circuit involves understanding the National Electrical Code, or NEC, guidelines and ensuring safe electrical practices. While a common rule of thumb suggests 8 receptacles, the actual number depends on the specific application and load calculations. The NEC doesn't explicitly limit the number of receptacles on a residential circuit, but it mandates that the load not exceed the circuit's capacity. For a 15-amp circuit operating at 120 volts, the total load should not exceed 80% of the circuit's rating. This 80% rule is crucial for preventing overheating and potential fire hazards. To calculate the maximum allowable load, multiply 15 amps by 120 volts, which equals 1800 volt amps, also known as watts. Then take 80% of 1800 volt amps, resulting in 1440 volt amps. Each receptacle is typically rated at 180 volt amps, unless the actual load is known. To determine the number of receptacles, divide the total allowable load of 1440 volt amps by 180 volt amps per receptacle. This calculation results in 8 receptacles. However, this is a general guideline. In situations where the expected load per receptacle is lower, more receptacles might be acceptable. Conversely, if the load is higher, fewer receptacles should be installed. For instance, if each receptacle is expected to handle a load greater than 180 volt amps, the number of receptacles must be reduced to stay within the 1440 volt amp limit. It is essential to consider the types of devices that will be plugged into the receptacles. High-power devices, such as space heaters, hair dryers, and power tools, draw significant current and should be accounted for when planning receptacle placement. Overloading a circuit can cause the circuit breaker to trip frequently, indicating that the circuit is being used beyond its safe capacity. Continual tripping of circuit breakers can damage the wiring and pose a fire risk. Therefore, it is always better to err on the side of caution and limit the number of receptacles to ensure that the circuit remains within its rated capacity. In commercial settings, the NEC provides specific guidelines for receptacle spacing and load calculations. These guidelines are often more stringent than those for residential applications, reflecting the higher demands typically placed on commercial electrical systems. For example, commercial spaces might require receptacles to be spaced no more than 12 feet apart along walls to ensure convenient access. Moreover, the NEC requires that all electrical work be performed by qualified professionals who are familiar with the code requirements. Hiring a licensed electrician ensures that the installation is done safely and in compliance with all applicable regulations. An electrician can assess the specific needs of the space, calculate the appropriate load for each circuit, and determine the optimal number of receptacles. Furthermore, an electrician can identify any potential hazards or code violations and recommend solutions to address them. When installing receptacles, it is also important to use the correct wiring and components. The wiring must be sized appropriately for the circuit's amperage rating, and the receptacles must be of good quality and properly grounded. Grounding is essential for protecting against electrical shock and preventing damage to electronic equipment. In addition to the number of receptacles, consider the placement of the receptacles. Receptacles should be located in convenient and accessible locations where they are likely to be used. Avoid placing receptacles behind furniture or in areas where they might be easily damaged. Also, consider the types of devices that will be plugged into the receptacles and choose receptacles that are appropriate for those devices. For example, ground fault circuit interrupter, or GFCI, receptacles should be installed in bathrooms, kitchens, and other wet locations to protect against electrical shock. Tamper-resistant receptacles, or TRRs, are recommended in homes with young children to prevent them from inserting objects into the receptacles. Regularly inspect receptacles for signs of damage or wear. Replace any receptacles that are cracked, broken, or loose. Also, check the wiring connections to ensure that they are tight and secure. Loose connections can cause overheating and pose a fire risk. Periodically test GFCI receptacles to ensure that they are functioning properly. The test button on the receptacle should trip the circuit, indicating that the GFCI protection is working. If the GFCI receptacle does not trip when the test button is pressed, it should be replaced immediately. Consider upgrading to arc fault circuit interrupter, or FSI, breakers for added protection. FSI breakers are designed to detect arc faults, which are a common cause of electrical fires. Arc faults can occur when wires become damaged or when there are loose connections. FSI breakers can quickly shut off the circuit in the event of an arc fault, preventing a fire from starting. When adding new receptacles to an existing circuit, be sure to assess the circuit's capacity and ensure that it can handle the additional load. If the circuit is already heavily loaded, it might be necessary to run a new circuit to accommodate the new receptacles. Consult with a qualified electrician to determine the best course of action. Remember that the NEC is updated regularly, so it is important to stay informed of the latest code requirements. Changes to the code can affect the installation and use of receptacles. By following the NEC guidelines and consulting with a qualified electrician, one can ensure that their electrical system is safe and reliable. Understanding load calculations, proper wiring techniques, and the importance of grounding are all essential for preventing electrical hazards and protecting one's property and family. In summary, while the rule of thumb is 8 receptacles on a 15-amp circuit, the precise number hinges on not exceeding 80% of the circuit's capacity considering the load per receptacle, and adhering to NEC guidelines. Employing a licensed electrician ensures code compliance and safety.